Look at this beautiful weather. The clouds are spreading all over the mountains, creating a magical view. In our native language, we call this Kuredu. When clouds gently cover and spread across the mountains, it's one of the most beautiful sights of this season. Believe it or not, we are wearing sweater in June because of the rainy mountains weather. Feels wonderfully cold here. After days of hot and sweaty weather, this cool breeze feels so refreshing. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.